Prostate Diseases. Introduction. The prostate surrounds the urethra. Select true or false. Correct. The urethra is the tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body. Kevin has had difficulties urinating for the past few days. When he is able to urinate, it is painful. He has a fever, abdominal pain, and severe nausea. Should Kevin contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Kevin should contact his healthcare provider. Many men have problems associated with an enlarged prostate as they age. Select true or false. Correct. This condition is called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. BPH is common. It moderately or severely affects about 1/3 of men over 60. Is prostate cancer rare? Select yes or no. Correct. Prostate cancer is the most common form of cancer that affects men. The earlier prostate cancer is detected, the better the chances for successful treatment. Thank you for using Explain.